In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Workspace. Whether you're backing up your work, migrating to a new tool, or sharing a complete setup with teammates, knowing exactly where to find the export option will save you time and prevent mistakes. We'll keep this simple and thorough so you can follow along confidently. First, head to Settings. In most apps, the Settings area is represented by a small gear icon and is usually found in the top right, a left sidebar, or inside your profile menu. If your workspace has multiple areas or teams, make sure you're currently viewing the specific workspace you intend to export so you don't end up preparing the wrong one. Settings is the central place where apps put controls for your account, preferences, permissions, and data, and that's why it's the starting point for finding the export option. Once you're in Settings, navigate to General. This section typically covers the foundational configurations for your workspace, like its name, region, time zone, and other broad preferences. It's common for data-related actions to live here because they affect the workspace as a whole rather than just your personal profile. If the menu is organized into tabs, look for a tab labeled General or something very close to it, as that's where apps group high-level workspace options. Now scroll down until you see Export. Don't rush this part. The export area is often placed toward the bottom of the general settings because it's a less frequently used but very powerful action. Look for labels like Export, Workspace Export, Data Export, or similar wording that clearly indicates you're in the right spot. This section is the gateway to packaging your workspace data for download or transfer. You may notice notes or warnings nearby explaining what an export includes, such as projects, settings, attachments, or activity, and what might be excluded based on your permissions or plan. This is a good time to double check that you have the right access level. Some platforms restrict exports to admins or owners. If you don't see the export area at all, it may be hidden due to permissions or it might be located under a similarly named subsection, depending on the platform's design. By following these steps, you've successfully navigated to the place where exports are managed, setting yourself up to preserve your workspace in a clean, organized way. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly where to go when it's time to export your workspace.